Hello guys, today we are going to be changing the valve cover gasket on a 2007 Prius. First thing we're going to do is remove the windshield wipers to get access. Okay, next you're going to remove these screws right here with a 10. There's two clips. There's one right here on this side and on the other side, and from there you can pop this out. Take out the windshield wiper assembly. After this, you're going to take out this connector here and you should be able to pull it out. So press this button down and then it'll pop out. And you can take out the whole assembly. Okay, after that, you're gonna take this out. There are a few screws. There's one here. Okay, next you're gonna take this wire harness out. So you gotta pinch the sides. Hold on, like that. And then same thing right here. Yeah. Clean that up. Remove the intake. There's two screws out here on the top, 1 and 2. After that, you're going to take out these clips, remove this connector, and remove it from this hose right here. Oh, and this connector here. Forgot about that. Okay, so next you are going to remove this screw, this one, and this one. What that's going to do is it's going to loosen the harness connectors, and then you can disconnect these spark plug connectors as well. Okay, so next we're going to remove the harness connectors. In order to do that, we need to take out the injector connectors, remove this, and I might need to move the brake reservoir to get into. There's a screw back here that I need to take out as well. Okay, to remove this, just slide it forward, back, so that it's out of the way. First, I'm gonna clean this off a bit because I don't want dirt going into anywhere where it's not supposed to. I'm gonna cover this up with a napkin actually. Take out these air hoses. There's a clamp here. You can press that and just pull it off slowly. And this one, you could just pull out like that. Move it aside because it's gonna lift up with the rest of the harness. Next, we're going to remove these screws right here, connecting to the spark plugs, but make sure you put it in order so that you could put the same one back to where it belongs. And it takes the same 10mm spec. Now to remove the valve cover, I'm going to take it out manually because you don't want to potentially break anything next to the valve cover. What I'm doing is just cleaning the valve cover where the gasket goes on top because you don't want any dirt or oil going into. I had a 94 Civic and I changed the gaskets on my valve cover as well, but when I was cleaning it, someone, the previous owner used like a gasket sealant, and that was horrible. Cleaning. So we can get to the PCV valve. So in order to take out the PCV valve, it's actually pretty difficult. What we ended up doing was spraying WD-40 and tapping it lightly so it would be metal to metal, shocking the rust. And then we basically placed the open wrench on here and we just knocked it a couple times until it loosened up. So now it's loosened up and we can replace it now. Before putting the gasket on, I did a final wipe through just so it stays clean and there's no debris in between the gasket. Is it on?
When you turn it, don't hit the glass.
Okay.
That's gonna be an expensive job. Knee. Bruh.
A valve cover gasket's job is to prevent the motor oil from leaking. The reason why we are replacing it on this Prius is because we discovered oil on the spark plug threads when we replaced it the night before. This is a sign of a bad valve cover gasket. Since it was already taken apart, we also decided to replace the PCV valve. Sometimes renewing parts just gives you a better peace of mind while driving. Take care of your car and it will take care of you.
Gentle.
I am! What the heck? Something going on over here. Oh, relax. Or stop. I forgot. You're missing a screw here. It's funny. I was like, why would there be one in the middle and the right middle, but none on the left?
You know I'm recording.
Huh?
I'm recording.
Oh. Wow. So I ordered bumper plates and it's being delivered. He said he has to dig through his car to find them. Yeah. What is this called?
Wire harness.
Wire harness.
You gonna talk?
Oh, here. So they're
Down.
I'm free. Oh, you're missing one. That's why.
I'm not missing a screw.